What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today we got a Lexus RX350 as you can see, and I am going to show you a radio fuse, cigarette lighter fuse, power outlet fuse. So if your cigarette lighter has blown off for the power sockets up on the dash right there and you're not able to charge your phone or have a DC power, what you want to do is you want to come to this fuse box. So all I did here was pretty much this box is closed just like that. And what you do is you open this up by pushing this tab and just lift it up, and it will, the other end, it has two little clips here, they will just come right off. But on this you will see this little white thing looking, it's a fuse remover. That's what it is, like a little tweezer. So if you put this in that direction, you're gonna have fuses all over. You see this 100 right here, the number 100 right there, hard to see right there, the 100. There's a big fat fuse right here, right next to this terminal here, this bolt. So that's this right here, 100. So if you go across, you will see a power outlet fuse right there. My camera is never gonna focus. So this is a power outlet fuse. So that's, you're looking at this blue fuse. So all you do is you grab this fuse and you pull it out. That's how simple it is. You grab a new fuse. This one I already changed, and if you see the contact broken, you just take a new fuse and stick it in there, and you push it down. And it doesn't matter which direction, it works either way. But make sure you have a 15 amp fuse, so you have to put the same one in blue. And also I'm going to show you a few more fuses. You do have a fuse right here, it says DC out 10 amp. So what you want to do is you want to also check this fuse. So you're looking at this middle row over here. As you can see, you have a 30 amp fuse, this fat one over here. Then you got missing fuses here, and then you got another 10 amp, this one right here. Then there's one missing right next to it right here. And then after that missing one, where was I at? I lost myself. Then you have a few more fuses, and then you have 10 amp, 30 amp, 30. So pretty much this fuse right here. So we're looking at, if you count the slots, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This 10 amp fuse by itself right there, this one right, the one I'm tapping right now, right there, that one. You pull that one out, you could use a 10 amp from over here if you have a spare one. But not just here, you also need to check a few fuses inside. But make sure you close this up. Make sure you close that up. But if you go inside and there's a fuse down here, I am not going to be removing this fuse, but there are fuses down here. There is a power outlet fuse also down here. Right down here, you're going to have all these fuses. If you look at the right row, we're looking at 1 2 3. Let me count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Fuse number 11. And there's one missing after that. On the right side, if you count the squares, it says power outlet. Hard to get to, but you're gonna have to get in there. You can even remove this little guy by removing this number 10 right there, and this panel should just come off. You pop open that cover and check your fuse down there. So those are the only things you need to check, and your power outlet should be working. Now coming back a little bit, radio fuses. You have two radio fuses, 10 amp and a 30 amp. So you have a 10 amp and a 30 amp. Those are the two. The green one there is the 30 amp. Green one right there is our radio, and that one is a radio. So make sure you check those two, and also take a look down below. I'm sure you should be able to check those. And that's it, that's everything. If you guys have problems with radio, check out your radio fuses. Cigarette lighter fuses is common for a cigarette lighters below. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.